Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. And this is Lokesh, and I'm working as a software engineer, and my technology stack SQL and Power BI and data science as well. I'm a Microsoft certified professional on Power BI. In today's session, we will gonna cover a few more concepts on Microsoft SQL Server, and welcome to the SQL Server lessons. So in today's session, we will gonna cover up with clauses in SQL. What are the different type of clauses that exist in a SQL? So, and how to sort your query results by using a top and offset, and of course we will see the very first clause, which is order by. By using order by clause in top and fetch and offset and fetch next, how to query your results. And the same way, as of now we knew only the basic select statement. Here it is. As of now we knew the how to querying the table, how to querying from a table, so by using a select statement. But we will see what are the different kind of clauses which exist in a SQL Server. But I will not gonna cover all these things right away in this video, but few more videos will come up to cover all these clauses. But I'll just letting you know what are the different kind of clauses that are exist in SQL Server. We have from clause, where clause, top and group by and order by, output clause, select. Of course you people know select as of now, having clause, cube, roll up, into, over, option, with, join, output, a few more, right? So here it is. Of course I will give you all these SQL questions in the description down below along with the script. No need to worry about that. So you can read out the different clauses in SQL Server by using this documentation. Okay, so let's see one by one. Okay, first of all we're gonna start up with this order by class. So when you open your Microsoft SQL Server, it will show you in a master database. It always points to the master database. So just change it to your database which you want to use it. For me it is MySQL _DB. Go Control E for execution, Control R. Okay, so I will gonna take one table for all the operations which I want to perform, which is nothing but employee data. Okay, this is the employee data. Let's have a look about employee data. Control E. See, in my employee data I have serial number, employee name, employee ID, and job description, and the company which they are working, and the salary. Okay, let's say. Okay, now if you see the table here, I will show you once again. There is no particular order because I saved the data like this. John having 101, Julia has 103 employee ID, Paul has 105, Joker had 107 and is working on Java, and the company is D, and salary 8,000. Okay, now this is not in a particular order. If you see the salary scales of these employees, John has 1,000 and Julia has 4,000 and Paul has 6,000. Up to here it is in increasing order, and after Jake, starting from Jake it is in decreasing order again. I mean, after 7,500 again it is 2,000 and 3,000, and again it is spike up to 7,000, and then again it is down to 6,500, less than 500. Okay, so how to order your data, that is very important. Okay, so we are introducing a order by query here. Order by class, what it will do, select star from employee data, order by salary. Order by is the one which is used to just ordering your data, which is in a either it will order you in a ascending order or in descending order, the way you want. Okay, for me, I just want to go for salary column by choosing it in an ascending order. Okay, for ascending order you don't need to mention ASC. Okay, or else you can mention ASC as well, but if you are ordering by choosing only one column, you don't need to mention ASC. Okay, still it will gonna work. Okay, let's see both the queries together. One is the first query, this one is not ordered one, but this query is ordered one. Okay, let's see the results. And one more thing, I just don't want all the serial number, employee, everything. I just want to check the employee name and his company, which company he is working and which job he is doing, and obviously what is his salary. Okay, let's see. See, it is in perfect order. Okay, if you're gonna have a look at this salary scale, this is a unsorted table. I didn't do any kind of sorting over here, but here I did sorting based on salary. Okay, you see, so here the first one is John and here second one is Jake got 2000, Kate got 3000, Julia got 4000. It is perfect in ascending order, right? It is from ascending top to bottom, but here it is unordered set. Okay, right. Let's see with the descending order how it will gonna work with the descending order. Okay, just copy this query and put it over here and just check with it, Control E. See, it is perfect in descending order. Here the second table is the salary column is descending order. Here the first table is just a normal table, it doesn't have any sorting on salary column. Okay, you see, it is completely descending from top to bottom. First one is now Joker, second one is Mike, got 7500, Peter got 7000, and down the line it is completely decreasing order. Okay, so this is the way you can either use ascending order or descending order for your data. Okay, so this is the basic sorting. Now, can you do sorting on more than one column? Obviously you can do. See, no need to worry about that. You need to just define order by class on what are the columns which are going to perform these ascending order or descending order operations. For me, in my case, company is the one I want to do ascending order, and salary is the column I just want to perform descending order by using order by class. Okay, let's do it. Always remember the reason why I'm executing these two queries along, because the first one is unordered one. I didn't do any ordering on that. It's a raw table. Okay, and the second table, which is I am performing some sort of sorting, either ascending or descending, either one column or two columns, depends, completely depending on the business logic. Okay, let's execute this. Control E. See what is the difference. If you look at our query, a little bit, here I said order by company is ascending order. So that is the reason why here you see, if you see here, your company is, first of all, it is showing you A, and then B, and then C. It is in ascending order. How about the salary? Again, in that particular company A, what is the salary mode? It is in descending order. If you consider company A, the salary is completely in descending order. First one is Mike, it is 7500, and then decreasing order 2000, and then decreasing order 1000. This part is one set, because you're not performing a single column alone, but you're performing order by class using a company is in ascending order and salary is in descending order. So that is the reason why it will show you this kind of answer. And second ones, what is the second company in ascending order list? B. B is the company. So you have two B's, two company people, P and B, and their salaries are in descending order. You see, 4,000 and then 3,000. Okay, and then again C, you have three C's, all the three C's having salary in descending order. One is 7,000, Peter got 7,000, and then Nicole 6,500, and then Paul 6,000. Okay, this is the way you got. So don't confuse, just do or perform few operations on the table which you have created before. Okay, depending on your requirement. Okay, suppose here the same query, if I perform Control C, if I perform salary is also, I just want in just interchange it. What's the big deal, right? Salary ascending order, company is descending order. Okay, let's see what kind of changes it will happens. Okay, just execute these two queries and check out what kind of difference that you have observed. Control E. Makes sense, right? I will just increasing the size. Let's see, first one is company ascending order, and then salary is descending order. So just take the first set. Okay, A, and the salary is in descending order, 7,500, 2,000 and 1,000. So coming to the second table, the company name is in descending order and salary is in ascending order. Okay, for the second table, actually that is the query that you wrote just before. So what is the company descending order? First company is D. What is the maximum, what is the salary? It is 8,000 from ascending order, because we have only company D, only single column, single row alone. Okay, no need to worry about that. But think about the second one. Second one is C, because company is in descending order, salary is in ascending order, means increasing order. You see, Paul got 6,000 and Nicole got 6,500 and Peter got 7,000 here, means the salary is in increasing now. And then the consider second the third company, which is B, because company is on descending order and salary is on ascending order, increasing order, means B, first one got, Kate got 3,000, Julia got 4,000. It is increasing order. Okay, hope you understand it, all this order by and all. Okay, now as of now, you see we perform order by clause on existing columns. Okay, existing columns. What do you mean by existing columns? Existing columns means the serial number, serial name, employee ID, job and company and salary, all these columns are already existed in your table. So it is okay to do some order by clause on the existed columns. But what if you do perform some order by clause on calculated fields? What do you mean by calculated field? So here it is, the calculated field. Suppose if you take entire data, select star means all the data in your particular table, all the columns in your table. What I am doing here, salary by 2. Salary by 2 means here I am just dividing it. Okay, I am just dividing salary column by 2 and I name it as half salary. Okay, this is alias naming. You know, if you miss the alias naming class, then just watch up my previous video and you will get some information regarding alias naming and naming conventions to the columns. Okay, so here I mentioned like this, and let's see what it will do. It is a mathematical operation here. Okay, I'm just dividing by 2. Okay, let's see what will happen to this. See, half salary as a column, it is created a column and it is showing you here it is 1,000, it is 500, here it is 4,000, it is 2,000, means exactly half of these salaries it is showing you in just beside it. Okay, Now my half salary is the column which is not inbuilt in the table. Okay, inbuilt in the sense which is not there in a table, which is not an actual column in the table. Okay, this is called calculated column. This is called calculated column. Okay, now can you apply, or is it possible to apply a order by class on this calculated column rather than existing columns? Obviously. See, here you wrote, what did you wrote here? Select star from salary by 2 as half salary from this table, order by this half salary. Here you mentioned the alias naming of the calculated column. Sorting is descending order. Okay, let's see whether it is working fine or not. Control E. See, working fine, right? In your previous table it is in ascending order. Now it is in descending order because you gave this secondary calculation to a descending order. Okay, calculated field. Okay, so as of now you see how to apply sort on a already existing columns in a table and calculated column in a table, or calculated field in a table as well. Okay, now how to limit our query to a specific number of results. What I mean is limiting query results. Okay, which means suppose if I execute the entire table, it is showing me how many rows in it? 9 rows in it. You see here, of course there are numerous functions, some built-in functions are there to perform some mathematical operations, string operations, date time calculations and all, and we will cover up all those functions in detail by different videos. Okay, for each video for a set of functions. Okay, definitely I will do a separate video for string functions, a separate video for math functions and datetime functions as well. Okay, so until now just follow up with the GUI which is offering by the SSMS Studio. Here you have 9 rows. Okay, but now I just want to limit those rows to up to 5. So you need to use top 5 class here. Okay, here top n, the class is nothing but top n class. Top n is the number, how many number of rows you would like to affect. Okay, here I would like to get top 5 records while ordering the salary by descending order. Okay, what does it mean? Suppose if you execute this query, see my actual data is this. Okay, after executing it by applying order by descending, you see here what I applied is select a star from employee data, order by salary column, descending order. Okay, so my salary column is in descending order. Okay, I have in descending order I have first 8,000 and then 7,500 and 7,000, 6,500 and 6,000. After that descending order, what is the lesser number than 6,000? Obviously it is 4,000, right? 4,000 and then 3,000 and then 2,000 and then 1,000. Actually that is the order. You need to get same data in both tables, but here you got only 5 results because we are restricting the data by using this top 5 class. Okay, I want select top 5 of the results only. Okay, this way you can restrict your data in the table as well. Okay, so that is the use of top 5, and you can check out different order by classes as well on your own, because I just wrote by using a descending order. You can apply this top 5 clause on different models like order by salary descending order, comma company in ascending order, and you can restrict the top 5 or top 3 or top 2. It is completely depending on your business logic and your interest also. Okay, while practicing, better to go with whatever the way you want it. Okay, because once you make sure you're confident on this, then you can apply these things to your business logics. Okay, now we will see how to use offset and fetch. Okay, offset and fetch is a very important one while doing a pagination of the reports. Then all these things generally in a store procedures, if you go for the paginations, of course we will see all those things in later videos, but as part of this this particular lecture we will see how to use offset and fetch. Okay, so what is the meaning of this offset? So as of now, for this, you know how it will works. Okay, select a star from employee data, order by salary descending order. Of course, you know what it will do. It will just order by the salary column, and it will gives you the entire information of the table. See, so this is the result you will get here. Okay, but what I'm doing here is I'm just offsetting 5 rows. Offset 5 rows. What does it mean? Means I'm just skipping the rows. If you want to be clear about it, just copy this one, paste it here, and just execute these 2 queries along. Okay, then you will see what offset 5 rows will do. Okay, you can execute either by here, or you can click Control E. What it will do, just check out our query, what we wrote here. First one is descending order. Okay, order by descending order. This first table returning the descending order of salaries, complete data. And what the second one is doing, offset 5 rows only. Offset 5 rows only means offset how many rows you want to skip. This number here representing skipping the rows. How many rows I want to skip? 5 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All these 5 rows means up to Paul's salary. Paul's salary is 6,000. It got skipped, and it will just give you the rest of the results. Okay, that is the use of offset. Always remember, offset will do skipping the rows. How many number of rows you want to skip, you need to specify the number over here. Okay, that is the thing it will do. What is fetch next? Obviously it is pretty straightforward, right? Up to offset 5 rows, it will skip the rows. Fetch next 2 rows only. Fetch next 2 rows only. Okay, these are the keywords for fetching the records, and especially while using offset. Okay, and one more thing, this offset fetch next is used in order by class only. Okay, because without order by class you cannot use this offset and fetch. So keep that point in your mind and perform this one as well. Okay, so I will just do this one and this one, so you will get some clarity. Okay, these 2 queries, just execute these 2 queries along and you will see the result. Okay, Control E. So what is your first query? Just go for this. You already know this one, you already know first one. Okay, what first one is doing? This one is doing select a star from employee data, order by salary, offset 5 rows. Means how many rows you want to skip. Yeah, I already skipped 5 rows and gave you the rest of the rows here. Okay, now what it is doing, the second query, in this result again fetch next 2 rows only. Means up to this table, again I just want to the subset of the table. What is the subset? Here fetch next 2 rows only, means first one and second one. So that is the result over here. Means you will get Nicole and Peter's information from this table to this table. Okay, that is the use of offset fetch next. Okay, so in this today's session, hope I covered all these things what I promised you before. So in this session we saw how to use order by class, and of course select is the class which is the most familiar one which we are seeing from my previous videos, and very soon we will cover up all these things, okay, one or another. So here we saw order by, how to order by a single column or multiple columns or calculated column, and top end function for restricting the data, and offset fetch is to how to offset the data, how to skip the rows in a table and fetching accordingly. Okay, so hope you guys are enjoyed this video today, and don't worry, I will give you the script along with this data file in the description down below, this notepad as well. Okay, so have a good day, and catch you with the other video.